Hey, what's going on? This is your boy B. Welcome to another episode of the Barber Spotlight. And on this episode, we're putting the spotlight on Randy Cuts. But before we get into that, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss another Barber Spotlight. So with that said, let's get right into it.
Like I said, I was not a very vocal person, you know what I'm saying? So I was shy. So as far as me keeping client, it was hard for me to do that because, like, in order for customer retention to work, you have to speak to them. You gotta build a relationship.
Right.
And if you don't do that, then you lost them as soon as they leave your chair. Like I said, I didn't know their names, I didn't know anything about them, stuff like that. So and again, it was hard for me because I couldn't break the nervousness I had of talking to people. Stuff like that I don't like, so I was in a position of need before. I lived in a shelter before, you know what I'm saying? So I know it's like not to have nothing, not to look your best, not to feel your best, to feel like you're at low, you know what I'm saying? And when no one's there to lift you up, you start handling it in a way you shouldn't handle it, you know what I'm saying? You start getting depression issues, start talking to yourself about, about certain things that you normally wouldn't talk to yourself about or even do, you know what I'm saying? I got robbed when I was 6. Who robbed a 6-year-old?
Oh, wow.
you know what I'm saying? So it's like stuff like that, and like it prepared me for everything. That's why I talk to the kid. I talk to me about the B&Es. I mean, like this is all going back to communication. Just talking to people, just building these cats, because these kids know me to this day. I've seen them, oh man, what's up, so and so and so. Just by me talking to them, being honest with them. Because the B&Es, like somebody broke in my house when I was like 7. And they came in and took my stuff. And these were other kids who broke in the house. I was outside. I ran in the house. These kids were broke in my house and taking my stuff. So now I'm trying to defend them, not knowing what I'm doing. You understand what I'm saying? And I got real mad. So just me being that mad at that age, that's why I told the guy who broke something out. I've been on the other side of that before. Somebody will kill you. You understand what I'm saying? Because first of all, your first initial reaction is not hurt the person. You will do whatever it takes to get the person out of your house. And I was around mad, depressed for a long time. One day I just decided, you know what? I'm tired of being sad. I'm tired of being depressed. So let's flip the script real quick. And every time I flip that script, smooth sailing. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying I have bad days, but I have a lot of good days. You know what I'm saying? So, that's just that, bro.